Introducing the Smeg Mini Milk Frother, where style meets cafe quality results, all in the comfort of your own home. With Smeg's signature retro design, this beautifully crafted frother is available in a stunning selection of colourways to suit any kitchen aesthetic. Plus, being compact in size, this mini milk frother is the perfect addition for either displaying proudly on your work surface or storing in the cupboard when not in use. Getting started is simple. First, remove the lid and insert the whisk into the base of the frother. Then pour in your cold milk of choice, keeping an eye on the level indicators inside and on the whisk. You'll see a clear level guide for each function, one for hot milk, another for hot or cold frothing, and a minimum level to ensure perfect results every time. Pop the lid back on and the frother is ready to use. Simply press the button to scroll through the 3 available functions: hot foam, hot milk, and cold foam. Once you've selected your chosen function, wait 3 seconds and the frother will automatically start. When the cycle is finished, the LED light will turn off. Whether you're frothing for a silky smooth cappuccino, warming milk for a hot chocolate, or creating cold foam for an iced latte or cold brew coffee, this milk frother has got you covered. Cleaning is quick and easy. The lid and whisk are dishwasher safe, whilst the frother itself can be washed internally using warm soapy water without submerging the bottom. Make sure all of the parts are completely dry before reassembling. For the base unit, simply wipe down with a soft damp cloth. With elegant design, clever functionality and effortless operation, the Smeg Mini Milk Frother adds that perfect finishing touch to your drinks. There's also a QR code located on the base of the machine. Scan this to get helpful hints and tips to help you get the most out of your appliance. So whether you love a flat white, or an iced matcha, or even a smooth chai tea, the Smeg Mini Milk Frother makes it all possible, quickly, cleanly, and in style. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe.